Hey guys, it's Ava, and today I'm going to be telling you all about the Plants on Walls compact kit. So first, the compact kit has 8 little pockets for vegetables, flowers, fruits, anything. And this is a little tank that you fill up with water. And then the water through the pump, it starts from all the way up top at the 8th pocket and goes all the way down so your plants get watered. I have these flowers up here. These ones are ones that aren't fully developed. And then I have these catnip. And then all the way over here, I have this little gate with these little cherry tomatoes. And then I have some of these sun sugar tomatoes. Got a lot of ripe ones. And then if I go all the way over here, I have a banana pepper that's starting to grow. And even a few little squashes over here that are getting a lot bigger and little baby ones. So I just wanted to tell you about the Plants on Wall compact kit.